Hey there! Want to install MetaTrader 5 on your Mac? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full installation process, step by step. Whether you're using macOS Sonoma, Ventura, Monterey, Big Sur, or Catalina, this method works for all of them. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use Safari, Chrome, or any other browser. In the address bar, type MetaTrader and press Enter. From the search results, click the first link. It should take you to MetaTrader's official website. For your convenience, I've included the link in the video description. Once you're on the site, click the blue button that says Download for Mac OS and save the file wherever you prefer. The download will begin automatically and may take a few moments. When it's done, locate the downloaded file and double-click it to extract. You'll now see a file called metatrader5.pkg. Double-click on that file to start the installation. If you get a warning like, MetaTrader 5.0 package can't be opened because it was not downloaded from the App Store, don't worry. Just click OK. Now go to System Settings and select Privacy and Security from the sidebar. Scroll down to the Security section. You'll see a message saying MetaTrader 5 was blocked because it's not from an identified developer. Click Open Anyway. You might be asked to enter your Mac password. Go ahead and do that. Then click Open to continue. The MetaTrader 5 installer will now open. Click Continue, then click Continue again, and hit Agree to accept the license terms. Click Install, enter your Mac password if asked, and finally click Install Software. Once the installation is finished, you can close the installer. MetaTrader 5 should launch automatically. If it doesn't, go to your Applications folder, find MetaTrader 5, and double-click to open it. You may be asked to agree to the license terms again. Just click Agree. That's it. MetaTrader 5 is now installed on your Mac and ready to go. You're all set to start trading. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help.